So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see Toniebox keep beeping when plugged in, meaning and
So guys, if your
what to do.
Tony is beeping, so it can be due to the server reason. Typically indicate the issue alert, okay, like low battery, error notification and the sound notification. So guys, to fix this issue, first of all, charge your Toniebox. Okay, so guys, for charging the Toniebox, you simply put it in the your charging station and wait for 2-3 hours before using it again. Okay, then guys, another step is you try to listen for the specific message. So guys, pay attention to any voice messages that accompany the beeping. So this message can provide clues about what's that Tony is trying to communicate, such as connectivity and other. Okay, then guys, you check for the Wi-Fi connections. So ensure that your Tony is connected to the stable Wi-Fi connection network. If you hear the beeping sound related connectivity issue, so try to restart your router and reconnecting it. Okay, then guys, you also try to reset the device. For resetting the device, you simply press both of your buttons and your ears of your Toniebox for 10 seconds until you hear the sound, and this can help to clear your minor glitches. Then guys, you remove and reattach your Tony. So guys, if the beeping sound is occur while playing the audio, so try to remove in your Tony and then place it back on your Toniebox after a few seconds. This can help your reset playback. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further information. I hope this video is very helpful for you. So hi